one out for me. Come talk to me. I'll take that. I'll take your driver's license just so I know who you are. Thanks. Hop one out. Awesome. Put your hands right up here. So right now you're under arrest. All right.
2 Charlie 33, code 20.
So, why in the name of God's green earth are you driving that fast? Turn right. Just lean right there.
Baker 23, 2 Charlie 33.
You have any idea what your top speed was?
120.
120. I think I locked you in at 121 or 122. You know what the speed limit on this road is?
I believe it's 55.
It's 50. So why are you driving more than double the speed limit on a 50-mile-an-hour road?
I know it's not a perfect excuse for driving that high.
Well, there is no excuse. So saying that it's perfect, it's not a perfect excuse would mean that there is a perfect excuse, and there isn't one.
No.
Top 16, I have one in custody.
I apologize.
Top 16, 1605. Top 20, 20 negative.
Okay.
Close 25, 2020.
No, you actually look exactly the way you do in your picture, too. Okay. Top 16, we have a posse units available in Charlie. Okay. So you're just totally okay with 120-something miles an hour in a 50? You're just like, that's a good idea?
Oh, no.
Top 16, that's negative.
I was just trying to get home quick.
That's it? Just trying to get home?
Just trying to.
Okay. You need to go to jail. That's what you need to do. So, all right. What I want you to do is stand up here. Just lean right back there. Perfect.
Is there someone that had to notify to come get my vehicle? Or?
Oh, no, I'm going to tow it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah. I am shocked at how totally okay you are with not only the criminal offense of excessive speed, but also reckless driving for passing all those cars. You're going through a neighborhood here. I mean, we're in someone's backyard right now. Like, there's people walk and ride their bikes and horses through here, and you're just like, 120 something. That's totally fine. How old are you? You have to be in the, of course. Your generation, I'm telling you. Just stand there. You've seen me make traffic stops. I've said, hey, you're under arrest. You're not free to go. Same thing today, but at 70 miles an hour above the posted speed limit, where that speed becomes reckless and showing no remorse and no regret for doing that violation that endangers everyone on the road. That's why I made that decision to take that guy into custody and to book him into jail.
So you're gonna come with me today? Anything on you that's gonna poke me, stick me, stab me? No? Anything on you you're not supposed to have? Anything on you that you want to keep in the car? Like, I presume you want your phone and wallet.
It may just be his age, that he didn't understand that there's consequences for committing criminal offenses. But that reckless behavior where you're endangering so many people and making me drive at that speed to catch him, to take him into custody, those are all the things that go into that decision. So that's why he's on his way to jail. His car is on the way to car jail.
It's going to be a little bit of a kind of a steep climb because we're on the angle, but I'll help you up. Lift leg first, then I'll just kind of lean on me, and 1, 2, 3. There we go. Perfect. I'll get the AC going so you get a little bit airflow, okay?
These are all roads that lead to people's neighborhoods. People expect cars on this road to be traveling at 50 miles an hour. So at 70 miles an hour over the speed limit, if someone were to have seen him coming and expected that a car was going 50 miles an hour, they're going to pull out in front of him and cause a collision.
Nice car you got.
Hi, thanks. You're under arrest for criminal speed. I want you to understand that. Do you understand that right now?
Yes.
Okay. Because I don't want you to think that you're free to go, because you're not. Okay? I want to make sure that we're understand. All right,
Just trying to get home.
Just trying to get home.
For lunch.
You are...
For lunch.
Oh, so you're just driving for food. So you're driving at a criminal amount of speed, passing cars that almost tripled. No, you're sorry that you got caught. That's the difference. If you were truly sorry, you just wouldn't have done it, and you would have obeyed the speed limit instead of going at more than double the posted speed limit. The speed limit on this road is 50 miles an hour. I locked you in at 90 before you passed those two cars. Okay? I'm Deputy Sloup. I work for the Pinal County Sheriff's Office Traffic Unit. Okay? I want you to understand all of that. Okay? I'm going to decide whether I book you into jail and I tow this car and impound it or not for your reckless driving.
I'm sorry, sir.
Okay? Well, you're sorry. Again, you're sorry because you got caught. You're sorry because I'm in this car holding you accountable. And if I wasn't in this car, I never would have caught you because your speeds are so far in excess of the posted speed limit.
And also, I have to really go to be honest. I've been constipated all day.
Well, pretty sure the definition of constipated is that you can't go, which is perfect. That'll give you some more time. The reason that I drive this car, I know people are like, oh, you drive a sports car. My speed in trying to catch up to him was well into the triple digits, which when a car is traveling at 100 miles an hour, you have to travel at those high speeds. And that's why this car was bought. This car was bought and paid for through funds obtained by the Governor's Office of Highway Safety. It's on a very specific grant for aggressive driving and looking for guys like this. So you are 21?
I'm 19, about to turn 20 this week.
About to turn 20, okay.
This week.
Well,
this is gonna hurt.
Well, that's a very appropriate reason to have some tears rolling down your face, is because you realize that there's repercussions for this. So your citation for your 90 and a 50 and all of those lane changes that you made around cars without signaling and really sharp into one lane, sharp into another, that's literally the definition of reckless driving. And that's what your citation's for. So that is a criminal offense. Just like I told you, you're under arrest. You're gonna have to go and talk to the judge here in Casa Grande. You're gonna have to tell them, hey, this is why I thought that driving fast to lunch was a good idea.
It wasn't.
I know that. And now you also know that, but I want you to understand that the severity of this, okay? This is a criminal offense. It's a Class 2 misdemeanor. I'm well within my right to take you to jail. Okay, but you've been respectful. You have no previous driving history with the Pinal County Sheriff's Office in any way. You've never been stopped before. So maybe I just caught you on a bad day, and this will be a reminder to be a better driver.
I've been having a bunch of things run through my head. I've been helping my sister with her car, work. Got these speakers I'm trying to sell for my house, a bunch of other things.
I can see how selling speakers makes you drive almost 100 miles an hour.
No, I'm not thinking straight.
Okay. Well, what you need to do is just sign right down here. By signing, you're not admitting any guilt. All you're saying is that you promised to appear.
I know, I got it. If I don't sign, then I'm definitely going to jail, right?
That is absolutely correct. Yeah, that is. All you're saying is that you promised to go there and talk to the judge, and if you don't sign it, what you're saying is that you're not going to go, and then I make sure that you go. Okay?
Do you have any idea how much the ticket car is going to be?
You know what? I don't, because the sheriff's office doesn't deal with money at all. All that stuff all goes through the court. You'll talk to the prosecutor, which is the lawyer for the state, and just say, hey, look, I had speakers to sell. I was on my way home. I wasn't thinking. I was driving a little crazy. And see what they'll do, if they'll work with you or not. Okay? Any other questions I can answer for you before I kick you loose?
Nothing besides thank you for your service, man.
No, it's my pleasure, man. Thank you for being cool. Just make better decisions, okay? Because you have to understand that the repercussions for decisions that you make go far past just the action.
Yeah, I know.
All right? All right. Appreciate you being cool, man. Thank you so much. Get home, have some lunch, take a good poop. Be good. With how close you were sitting to the steering wheel, you must be vertically challenged.
No, I'm just very short.
Those are synonymous. Oh. You have any idea how fast you were going?
No.
Do you realize that you're in a marked construction zone with workers present? Posted speed limit, 25 miles an hour. Your speed, 79.
I was going 70?
Yeah, you blew past me like I was in reverse. And I locked it in on my radar because you're literally the fastest car I've ever seen go over this bridge, ever. And you have a windshield that looks like a road map, and you're not wearing your seatbelt, and you're at a criminal amount of speed. Your speed is so fast, it's literally insulting to the law. I know that you may have been confused with the 79 as in State Route 79 or Speed 79. It's State Route, not speed limit. It's a mandatory court date, even though we're here in Florence. The court's actually located in Coolidge. Phone number, or the address right here is the address for the court. Phone number there.
Mandatory.
That is correct, because it's criminal in nature because you're triple the speed limit. So by signing this, all you're saying is that you promise to appear. It means that I don't have to take you into cuffs, drive you across the bridge to where our jail is, and book you into jail for the offense of criminal speed. You can just go there and talk to the judge. So you do have to go to court, and I know that you know where it is because you were there earlier today, so you have to go back there. I appreciate you being cool with me. All right, so you've met two other of my friends.
Yeah, being respectful, I've noticed a lot. People say F the pig, F this, F that, but I've noticed every single time I've gotten stopped and I'm respectful, they respect me.
Absolutely, 100%. Absolutely, and there's no lack of respect here, right? We're two gentlemen working through a problem. And what allows me to be somewhat cordial yet professional with you is the fact that you're cool. If you were a jerk, we'd be having a whole different conversation. The overwhelming vast majority of cops are like that. And the other two guys that you met from Pinal County.
They arrested me and they caught me, but they're just doing this.
And I tell you, both of those dudes are cool dudes, man. They're both good guys. So you just happen to keep running into us and we just keep arresting you. But at least we're all respectful with you. The reason I stopped you is you're displaying expired registration, you have an illegible license plate, and your window tint's all illegal.
How was that illegal?
How is what illegal?
The tint. When I got it, they said it was in the spot.
That is.
Thing with what?
I don't need that.
Got it.
Driver's license. There we go. No, that is 100% illegal. Absolutely, unequivocally, absolutely illegal.
That's crazy because when I got it, he told me. I asked him, I said, "Is that the level I can have?" And he told me, "Yeah." We're out in Arizona because
you, sir, have been lied to. I'm going to put this on your window, and it's going to tell me how much light goes on this side to that side.
Okay.
The legal percentage, the verbiage is 33% plus or minus 3%. So I say anything that's over 30% is good. Okay. So this is going to be probably 3. So that means 3% of the light outside gets inside. Okay. That's what limo tint is. I only did that just to tell you. It is a citable offense in the state of Arizona. I'm not going to write you a ticket for it. I just did it so that you know. Okay. So you're going to get a warning for window tint, cracked windshield. You have that license plate cover around your license plate. Okay. Well, it covers up the word Arizona. So letter of the law is that's considered an obscured license plate because I can't read the state. Okay. So. And again, I'm not writing you a ticket for it, just me providing you some information. Any questions I can answer for you before I kick you loose?
Nah, you did great, man.
I appreciate
you, man.
No, man, I stop people all day. That's all I do is stop people and talk to people standing here at their windows. It's fun. Hey, man, it was a pleasure meeting you. Take care of that stuff and drive safely.
Now, I took that question.
Yep.
With the tint, the back
windows are fine.
It's
just the front driver's side and front passenger. And that's it. Thank you so much. You're welcome, sir. So the posted speed limit there was 25. The normal speed limit without all this construction zone is 45. Your speed when I first saw you was 64. When I locked it in on my LiDAR was 61. So I would be pulling you over even if you weren't entering a 25 mile per hour posted construction zone. Now I did not.
To ever do that again, you can't.
I don't do that. Yeah, it's not, I've been doing this for 20 years and not one time has that ever happened, and today isn't going to be the day that changes that. But what I didn't do was cite you for the increased fine of speeding in a construction zone. All I did was just write you a regular old speeding ticket. So, and again, I did that. You're also at a criminal amount of speed because you're more than 20
now?
Oh yeah, you're more than 20 miles an hour over the speed limit in a residential area. So you are not only speeding in a construction zone, but you're criminal speeding in a construction zone. And all I did was write you a regular speeding ticket. I didn't write you a criminal ticket, just a regular old ticket. Now I'm going to write in my notes that I gave you all these breaks, because if you were silly enough to try to contest this in court, then I would go to court and say, look, Your Honor, I didn't write her criminally, which she was. I didn't write her for speeding in a construction zone, which she did. I cut her a break and she's still looking this gift horse in the mouth. And it just makes me look nice, which I am.